Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the download location on your Netflix app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first what you need to do is launch the Netflix app on your mobile device. Next, once you're in the app, tap on the My Netflix button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner, and then tap on App Settings. On the next page, under Download Location, tap on that one, and here you have the option of changing between internal storage, or if you have an SD card in your phone, you can change it to that one if you'd like. And that's what it takes to change the download location on your Netflix app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.